right. Thank you. Shout out, where you from?
Cape Town. Cape Town.
Oh, brilliant, guys.
From Mr. Plum. Jesus.
Guilty.
Only Mr. Plum represents
How's it, guys? Shout out, where you from, please? Oh, your hair is very bright.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Mr. Plum.
Mr. Plum.
From Cape Town.
Cape Town, Mr. Plum.
Are you also Mr. Plum?
Cindy.
Oh,
Cindy.
where are you from, sir?
I'm originally from Durban, but I work in Century City.
You work where?
No, I work in Century City.
Oh, okay, doing what?
I'm a financial advisor.
Oh, okay, all
I
right.
work with Felix.
I hope you're giving him good advice. Oh, gee, you guys must be from a Manzi stores. Hey! Where are you from?
I'm from Greenz Plumbing. I'm You can fix anything.
And you are from?
Way west.
Way west. Robert from Floor Store. There we go. Oh, and where are you guys from? Which company?
Electrolux.
Electrolux.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And look at these two. Just some fun, guys. Oh, things are going to get serious now. So if anybody has a fetish, right, we've come to the right place. And you guys are from?
Guilty. No other place than guilty.
Yes, you guys have got such nice kits, eh?
Thank you.
You know, it's just for a tool guy like myself.
Every fetish
Telling you.
Yeah, where you put it under the staircase.
So now it's got a probe and an isolator switch, so if the probe fucks up, you can put on the electricity and you can heat the geyser
Yes, yeah.
with the element in there.
Yeah.
The thermostat. So
Yeah. But
Let's just get past here.
How dangerous is that? Imagine someone standing in the shower with a geyser full.
my hair.
Which company are you from, bud?
Man, Nick Gilloway Plumbing. Nick Gilloway Plumbing.
Oh, you, Nick.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm an investor in Nick Gilloway Plumbing. I'm the father.
And you from?
AP maintenance.
There we go. Thanks, guys.
So, that's something, but I checked.
There we go.